Hey guys, I'm Shireen Ahmad. I'm teacher of chemistry for grade 10, 11 and 12 ببرنامج الحصة. Today we will discuss the type of compound. Okay, let's start. What are the type of compound? We have two type of compound, ionic compound and covalent compound. But we will concern on the ionic compound in this video. Let's start by the ionic compound. We will start by questions, which is what is ions? What is ions? As you can see here, let's start and see. Starting with this example, we have sodium atom. Sodium atom, as we can say that its atomic number is 11, so its electron distribution is 2, 8 and 1. And Cl, chlorine atom, which the atomic number is 17 and electron distribution is 2, 8 and 7. Their nature are stable, but they will be more stable when sodium loses the most outer shielded electron in this electron level, and chlor gain one additional electron, so it will be more stable if it loses its outermost shielded electron, and Cl will be more stable if it gains an additional electron. So this want to lose and this want to gain, and this want to lose one electron, this want to gain one electron, so they can interact with each other by losing this electron and gaining this electron, which is a sodium will lose, and make a interaction. So Na, if Na lose this electron, Na converted from the atomic condition to the ionic condition. The ionic condition, which will be Na positive 1, as it loses one electron and the electron which it lost. Then Cl will take this lost electron and gain this electron and become ion, but negative ion. The meaning of the negative sign here is that the chlorine atom gain additional electron over the 17 ones, and the meaning of the positive sign here that the sodium lose one electron from the 11 ones. Then they will form an ionic compound, which will be NaCl, sodium chloride. This is the meaning of the ionic compound, or what is ion, or we can say how the ionic compound can be formed. Now we know the meaning of the ionic compound and how the ionic compound can be formed by the ions. Now we have two types of the ionic compound: binary ionic compound and polyatomic ionic compound. The meaning of binary ionic compound, binary by the Latin word means two. So binary ionic compound means that we have only two elements contributed to form the ionic compound. Polyatomic ionic compound, that we have more than two elements contributed to form the ionic compound, regardless to the number of atoms. What's the meaning of these words? Let's see. As we can see here that NaCl is ionic compound, but which type of the ionic compound? Na and Cl, element and another element, so we have only two elements. Here we have Mg and Cl. Regardless to the number of atoms, we have only two elements. Here we have Mg and S and O. Mg and S and O. So we have 1, 2, 3 elements. Here we have 3 elements. So the kinds of the ionic compound depend on the number of elements, not the number of atoms. So here it's a binary ionic compound. NaCl is a binary ionic compound. MgCl2 is a binary ionic compound. MgSO4 is polyatomic ionic compound because it has 3 elements contributed to form the ionic compound. Today we have finished our session. I hope it will be easy, and see you soon. Thank you.